Today's video we wan talk about separation of screen, the problem wey e dey come with. Wetin you need let your customer know before you embark on this operation of separating screen and touch. As we know, to separate screen and touch e no dey easy. For example, if na new phone or if na new screen wey you buy, for example the touch pad no good or the screen no good, you wan try do separation. Sometimes the result say either the touch break or the screen break, and when something like this happen, you and your customer una go come get problem. But to avoid this kind problem, wetin you need to do as an engineer? Well, e dey very important make be say you let the customer know. If possible, write am for your shop there say separation of screen and touch e dey at owner's risk. Or to explain am more for the customer, tell am say na new screen dis thing be. If you separate am, e fit spoil, e fit no spoil, make I do am? So if the customer say make you do am, you do am. If e say make you no do am, you give am. But sometimes we engineers we dey make mistake wey be say we no dey tell dem. When we don do am e come spoil, we come tell the person. Nothing you go explain when the person go lis ten to you. So to comot for this kind problem, e good make you let the person know say if you separate screen and touch, e fit spoil, e fit no spoil. Ask am whether make you do am. If im gree make you do am, you do am. Another thing be say, when you dey do this kind work, na carefulness na im be the most important thing. When you dey separate screen and touch, e dey very important make you dey careful. You fit use your gun blower, you fit use rework station, you fit use separating machine with the separating rope and blade. So when you dey run all these things, make you dey very careful. When you take all these steps, you no go get problem with your customer. So I hope say you enjoy the video. No forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you for my next video.